what are you doing? Are you purposely trying to get in my way right now?
Thank you for the coffee. And thank you for taking care of the kids.
What up, beautiful people? Welcome back to HellaJam. If you guys are new here, my name is Jamie and I post mostly thrift videos, beginner sustainability videos, as well as lifestyle videos now that I am a mother of 2 babies under 2. If all of that sounds good to you, go on ahead and click the subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the HellaJam family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Vlogmas is here. It's Vlogmas time. Voguing for Vlogmas. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas, and I've missed you guys so much. I haven't been able to do YouTube really consistently since Leo was born, and I'm just so excited to vlog again and like challenge myself to create content, but also like connect with you guys on a deeper level, considering like the times right now are really tough. As usual, I'm going to be sharing my heart with you guys and kind of like talking about my mental health journey, Stefano's, where our heads are at, being new parents, stuck at home, not being able to see any of our friends, in isolation for like almost a year. So I did my nails. It's like an abstract art type of situation. I hope you guys like them. You guys, I barely have any time to vlog. Stefano, for the first time in a really long time, decided to take Soul to daycare. Leo is napping, so I have some time to talk to you guys one-on-one, and I just want to let you know that I miss you. And I'm really excited to share my life with you because it's been a minute, and life is very different with 2 babies that are 2 and under. Time is valuable. My life is not perfect. I'm constantly cleaning, constantly cooking, constantly doing dishes, but you're going to see all of it because I'm not going to hide any of this shit. It is what it is. And what you guys get is what you get. So it's either you love it, you hate it. Also, like, the world is burning, so we don't really have time or energy for negativity. So if you have negativity, like, bye, bitch. Bye. Bye. But anyways, happy jolly Christmas. Vlogmas. Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. Really excited to have you guys here. Just to let you guys know, most of the days I'm going to be probably half naked looking broke as fuck. That's motherhood right now. Month, whatever, in quarantine with 2 kids. This is the first time I put makeup on in a really long time. This video that you're about to see in like 2 seconds, this is a video of us redoing their play area so mommy and daddy can have our place feel like the sanctuary that we deserve. So a little bit of redecorating and all of that good stuff. If you are parents, you guys understand and know that like toys are everywhere. Clothes are everywhere. Like, we are just trying to survive. If you guys could do me a favor and just leave a comment below with what type of videos you would like for Vlogmas, that would help so much with creating content for you guys. I know that a lot of you guys say you want some decor videos, but what type of decor videos? All right, let's just go ahead and get into this vlog. Okay.
Ah! What a good morning! HellaJam, do you want HellaJam to get yogurt? I like yogurt.
Morning, Leo.
Wow!
My face.
Good morning. Welcome to the Side to Miko home. Yep. This is why it takes me forever to finish YouTube videos. I just want to be clear. I was up at 6:45 and Stefano was in bed, silent, by himself, until 9 a.m.
I was also working last night, so it's okay.
Just has to throw that one in there.
What are you doing? Are you purposely trying to get in my way right now? Stop.
Thank you for the coffee. And thank you for taking care of the kids.
So mark my words, Daddy's gonna be not himself in 0.2 seconds. He's gonna be tired, like, what's wrong with me? I'm so tired. I don't know what's wrong. That's okay. We love him no matter what, right? Mm-hmm.
That's not coming.
No, go away.
Daddy,
Baby, don't say go away. That's not nice.
go away. Wait, go away.
Stop saying go away. Where'd you learn that?
This is what look away.
Why don't you say, please, you are invading my personal space. That one's better. Can you say that? Excuse me, you are invading my personal space. Say that.
Not my birthday cake.
Exactly. That's so much better. It's polite. It's a little advanced for your age. And it puts people in their place. They're like, wow, I am invading your personal space. I'm sorry. It's less bratty and more like respect my space. Okay? Cool. You like that?
Yeah.
I'm here for you.
Oh, soft, soft belly. Da, 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 da.
I love the soft bellies. Hi, Leo.
Ooh, that.
Good job. All right, let's do this.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I want.
Do you like it, Leo?
Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching.
Good job, Soul.
Aww.
Put him to work, guys.
Here, roll it to Daddy.
New layout.
Nugget that we absolutely love. It's super comfy for us to just sit down here and lounge with them. This is a Toki mat, which is one of our favorite mats for Leo. When she was first kind of getting used to sitting up, I felt most comfortable with her on this mat. And then of course we have like our little reading area, and then this is all decor stuff for Christmas that we have to handle. But yeah, this is our play area, and it's really it's really nice that we get to just like, don't mind the pee pad, it's clean, it's just in case Disco has to pee. But what I love most about having this area is that all the kid stuff is in here, all of it. And then we can just use this gate and just like keep her in here and know that like she's not gonna eat anything she shouldn't, she's not gonna get into anything that she shouldn't. And I can like go and like fold laundry over here, or like quickly make dinner and just leave her in here in this cage. So yeah. Here we have them somewhat organized. We have his Legos, his cars, and then his Hot Wheels, his trains, Magnetile, this shouldn't be there, but and then just miscellaneous. And then we have their kitchen area that they always play with, trucks that we need to get rid of and donate, but he's obsessed with them. And then, go get him, Leo. Go get him. Go get him, Leo. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
All right, guys, that wraps up Vlogmas episode 1, day 1, 2020. I hope you guys liked this video. Go ahead and leave a comment and let me know, once again, what type of videos you'd like for the future videos. And let's just do like a gut check. Like, how are you guys feeling these days? I miss you, and thank you for being so patient with me just uploading when I can. Love you guys. Peace.